To set up custom ringtone on a Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, you have to open your files and you have to put the specific sound into the specific folder. By the way, if you don't know how you can download ringtones, you can use, for example, applications from the Google Play Store, like this one, Zedge, for example. As you can see here, when you open this application, we can find a lot of ringtones that we can download for free, but remember, sometimes you can get some ads. So you can pick some default ringtones or search for something, and if you are looking for this, you can find how it sounds, then you can click on it, tap on the download button, and you can set this as a ringtone. But if you have your sounds that you have downloaded from your Google Drive or from your USB drive, for example, you have to open your file manager, My Files actually, and we have to go for the internal storage. Now you have to just simply find all of your sounds and you have to copy them into the ringtones folder. So as you can see, here I can find from the Zedge downloads, like the iPhone ringtone, and how it looks. Let's say that I have this sound over here in the downloads, so I have to click and hold it, then click copy or move, and now I have to go into the internal storage. Now I have to go into ringtones and I have to just copy this over here, and that's how you can do this. Now all you have to do is just to open the settings, then you have to go for sound and a vibration, go for a ringtone, and now you should find your all custom ringtones, like in my case, as you can see, and you can click on them and set them as default.